Starting in fourth, in car number 31, driving the Haddock Timber All-Star Truck Parts Machine, Rodney Haddock in car number 31 tonight. Starting in the third position, in car number 59, the Q Auto Injury Attorneys Machine, Becca Monopoly in car number 59. Starting in the second position tonight, in truck number 46, the Water Medic Machine of James Jackson. James Jackson will start second. And on the pole, in truck number 21, driving the Bowman's Motorsports Machine, car number 21, and Leroy Moore Jr. That is our starting lineup.
1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, come on.
That's why we got these pro trucks come back out, put on a show. So we had everybody where they're supposed to be. One final check of the belt. One final check. Make sure they're ready to go. The focus is on. Here they come. Out of turn number 4. Green flag. Now they go. Couple of our fast trucks. That's the 111 car, all torn up, heavy front end damage to the 11 machine. Our outside pole sitter, James Jackson, that stopped down there with that. Look at the heavy damage to that machine. Wow. The entire rear end ripped off, courtesy of Jason Lester. Look at the heavy front end damage here to the white number 11 car. So, Adam, we talked about it not only on the podcast and pre-race leading up to this race, and the attention of this group. Luckily, Adam, from the naked eye up here, it looks like they can rip the sheet metal off. Just look to that. Looks like it got the win start and get the count. Here it is. We only count 3 flag laps. That lap is being officially completed, so it will be a complete restart for those that are able to right out. I can't even say the name anymore. It's so long, and we couldn't even get a lap in, and that guy said fast time earlier.
Bill Van Dievender.
There it is. I'll let you handle that one.
None of that start, I was told that name.
Jason Lester, he stopped over there in turn 2, but I think he was waiting for the field to come around. Yes, there he goes. He'll continue on. Here comes the 46. That truck, all kinds of shortcuts. Now the 46 getting back out there, so I think as we're getting ready to get back to racing, everybody's still going to be able to get to even though we have that carnage, we're still going to be able to get in there. Here we go. Green flag. open this up when he comes around. The entire side is peeled away. should be a fun victory lane. As he gets some more congratulations. Man, that was a whooping you laid on him. No doubt about it. Here comes back of Monopoly over to give him congratulations. Derek, let's get you over here, buddy. Here's a beautiful trophy for you. Hey, man, congratulations. You look elated down here. And you know, you talked to us in the podcast earlier, and you weren't sure what you had for these guys. Man, oh man, did you have a rocket ship tonight?
Holy shit, that was amazing.
There it is. Now that's what you get right there. That's what it felt like driving this thing, huh?
I never thought I'd be in this position, and I didn't think we'd have the truck tonight to do it, and I'm just so super stoked. And this is a dream come true.
I mean, Derek, not only did you win this race, you dominated this, and you got out in front, and we talked earlier, said, you know, I don't want to go out there and burn up my stuff, and I was a little worried when that caution came out that maybe that's what had happened, but man, you left him in the dust even after that late race restart.
Yeah, I was a little worried because towards the end it started getting a little tight, but I don't know, I just didn't want to give it up, I didn't want to slow down. I was getting really excited, so this is awesome.
Now, how did you avoid that crazy wreck on the first lap? I mean, you were right there in the middle of it.
I mean, it all happened so quick, I just got lucky. Just got lucky. There we go.
Just got lucky, and then you turned it into a dominating performance. I'm sure you have a lot of people that you'd like to thank for helping get you here today.
Yes, my mom and dad, big things. Bobby Shelton, Mike Tomez, Robin Dixie from JCPenney Realty. This is for you guys. Thank you guys so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Derek Pugh. A great performance here in truck number 3. Now, Derek, if we can have you reach in and you'll make me a fan tonight for sure, going to have you draw our 50-50 raffle ticket. Becca, you had another great truck out here. Just didn't have anything for that 3, but you battled hard. You take home the second position tonight. That's still got to feel pretty good.
It does. I think this is like my 6th second place here. I'm still gunning for the win sometimes, but happy for Derek. With like 3 laps to go, Dad comes on the radio and says, I'll give you $100 if you pass him. Okay.
So that was enough motivation to get back up on the wheel, huh?
Oh yeah, and then I saw he was starting to slip up a little. I don't know if his tires, I think they said his brakes, he was losing them. So I just saw that opening on the bottom and just took it. But I gotta thank all the fans who came to the autograph session, my parents, John and Julia for helping, 2 auto and injury attorneys, Southern Racing Fuels, Sunoco Race Fuels, and Florida Champion Ranges. Oh, and O'Brien's Auto Repair.
Well, hey, I know you probably couldn't see it from the cockpit because you're trying to get second place, but you had the crowd on their feet with that battle for second.
Well, thank you, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Becca Monopoly. Great job in second place. Congratulations. But Rodney, heck of a battle there with Becca. You guys raced hard and clean. You just came up short for second, but third still got to feel pretty good.
Yeah, it feels pretty good. About 15 to go, man. I lost my brakes and got way too tight and just couldn't do nothing with Becca. Tried to keep her on the best I could. I gave it all I could, man.
Well, it was fun to watch. I know anytime this 31 truck comes out, you're going to be a contender. You were up there. That 3 truck, man, just a rocket ship out there tonight. What do you need to do to work on this thing to get it in the same ballpark as that truck?
We're going to try to put some nitrous on here, see if that'll help.
that might be the only thing that you can do. Do you have anyone else that you'd like to thank for helping you get up here to third today?
Yeah, let me thank Mark, works behind us on this stuff, and all the family and friends that come out and support us from New Smyrna. Appreciate all the fans that stayed and watched us, man. Thank y'all very much.
Hey, we appreciate you being here. Congratulations on a great third place run. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our top 3 in the pro truck. Give it up for all the truckers for coming out. We hope you folks enjoyed that one. It's a pretty darn good race. Nice to see Derek. Really, I mean, a surprise winner. You never know what you're going to get when the trucks come out, but Derek, he wasn't even sure what he had today, and he ran away with it. So congratulations to him. Great young kid there. Probably going to see big things out of him.
Thanks for watching. Your support makes Speedway Video possible. Become a patron today at patreon.com/speedwayvideo. See you at the track.